Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and in this video let me show you how to download the GTA Vice City.
Hey everyone, so here's how to install your GTA game. So you wanna go and search on Rockstar, then this one right here, the rockstargames.com will appear. After that, go on to the link and so there are a bunch of games right here. So when you wanna search in the games that you wanna install, so for example is GTA, and we're gonna do. So there are a lot of results for GTA, and you just want to pick which game you want to do. So if you want to install this Vice City, you want to click on that. So after clicking that, will show you the game description. You just want to click on the buy now. So that's all. You can now install and download this app right here.